Hello everyone, welcome to Sanskriti's world. Today was my fancy dress competition. So the theme was a fruit. So I chose this coconut. With my parents' help, I made this costume using waste cardboard sheet and coconut husk. Check it out how I presented it. Hello everyone. Today I am dressed as coconut. Coconut is a fruit of the coconut tree. It is also called as narikela and offered to God. The coconut fruit has a thin skin and internally it has a fleshy part which contains a seed. Do you know, when you eat a coconut, you are actually eating the part of the coconut seed. The white part which we eat, it is also called as meat. It is surrounded by a brown hairy part called as husk. Young coconut are green in color. They have lots of water and also called as tender coconut water. They contain vitamins, minerals and protein in it. Fully grown coconuts look like me. They have less water, dense meat and many more nutrients in it. Grated coconut are used for cooking. Dry coconut are used for making coconut oil. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, like and share.